Cleaning up trash was super fun. There was a lot down there, but it was cool helping out.
It was also very fun to clean up trash. I'm glad I got to come to Bali.
My experience here has been amazing. My guide has showed us so many of the corals that we rescued and transplanted. And so I want to come back and say more baby corals.
Oh my.
I have loved my time at Les Village. The people are amazing, the water is beautiful, the coral reefs. I have learned so much and I can't wait to be able to apply it both here and abroad.
This is my coconut. I'm Jewel. I love it here. The village is so amazing, so many great people. I wish that everyone can experience this at least once in their lifetime. Like, the ocean is beautiful, people up here, they're even more beautiful. So, yeah, coconuts for everyone! Until I got stung. There it is. But still fun. There's my stuff over there. You gotta pan to my stuff. Pano. Yeah. It was a fun time here. Got to see lots of new things. Swim with fishes, see coral. It was fun. My favorite part was cleaning up the trash though. The ocean is a big part of our world, our communities. And so I think it's really important to teach other people about it so that they can preserve it themselves. We took care of coral. We got coral from coral nurseries and transplanted them.
Drink it up.
And we took fish surveys to gauge how healthy the coral is. What's a big it's unlocked carbon sink, the ocean.
No.
Which is important. So like we breathe in oxygen, exhale CO2, and so a lot of our carbon ends up in the ocean. Carbon sink. So if we take care of our ocean, take care of our planet. Heyo.
Hi, my name is Sam. I'm a coral scientist at Tropical Marine Science Institute, National University of Singapore, and I'm also a volunteer scientist with sea communities. So we are here trying to help the community to rebuild their corals at Les Village. Together with sea communities, we work together and we rebuild the coral communities right here. And we also have little experiments to see whether which coral actually works best for Les Village to develop the best coral growing strategy, and trying to involve the participation of students and also overseas participants to grow corals together with the community. Program that we do with sea communities, we bring divers to plant coral, and then we also do little experiments to see which coral works best in the waters, and we also build coral structures for corals to grow and be transplanted on. And we also have a fish survey to determine whether the reef communities are healthy or not. So these are important things that we can teach the public to empower them with skills that they can help to monitor the corals here or in other places as well. So with our work here, we hope to work together with the local community to rebuild the coral reef here so that we can have healthy seas, and then they can improve their livelihood. And by building the corals here with different coral transplant, and now it's a huge area of transplant and it's really growing really nicely. So it also gives the community a sense of ownership where they help to, or they really want to help to protect the corals even more, to do more for the environment. So it has been a nice journey with sea communities where you can see every time I come back, each year I come back, the community became bigger, the kitchen become bigger, the accommodation become bigger, and I think it really helps in their livelihood as well. And so I hope that we can continue to take care of this marine environment, and so that this can bring in more income and job opportunities for them. Okay, so my hope for sea communities is for them to share their rich knowledge on the marine life, the coral restoration strategies, and also their rich cultural heritage with the rest of the village and even tourists that come here to really want to learn and immerse in their whole sea communities and less village culture, and also showing them the way that if you can take care of the ocean can take care of you also. Coming to Less Village, I learned a lot as well. So the whole sea communities and fishermen, they are all really very self-motivated, and that keeps us going. So coral restoration is not a plug and play method, so you really have to make little adjustments and tuning to make sure that, oh, this is the right strategy for them to grow, and this strategy works for them and is sustainable in a way that they can still, it's not so expensive, it's easily accessible. So we have a lot of trial and error throughout the years, and I think we finally found the best method. So it is really nice to come in and give them some advice on what we have learned from doing coral restoration in the region, and using what that can be applied and can be useful for them to really improve their livelihood. So for the STARR program, we want to teach reef restoration and reef survey techniques in bite size. So what we do, we go diving and we take pictures and document the marine life in Less Village, and also trying our hand at transplanting some of the corals, whether it's on bommies or on concrete structures. And after that, follow up by monitoring of these corals, whether they do well, are they healthy, and we can actually monitor and document the growth throughout the year. So this can actually become like little mini projects where we can pass the data to the fishermen, and then they can try some of these methods on their own to grow the corals here as well.
The ocean will take care of us.